Hi guys, my name is Ashutosh Parida. I'm a banker and I'm a part of Freedom Investors Hub for last 2 months. During the COVID times, I was skeptical about investing in stock market because the market was getting down and every day there is news that people has lost this much money and that much money. So when I came across the webinar of Mudit Mase, then in that webinar when I attended, I uh, I got to know that there is a specific time to get into the market and a specific time to get out. So I got to know when to get into the market and get the best opportunity and build a portfolio. The main part is to build a portfolio and how to build a portfolio, in which stocks you need to invest. You get to know in the Freedom Blueprint course and the weekly mastermind. It helps a lot. It gives you all the answers to your queries. Mudit is very he uses very simple techniques, and his most important thing is that he listens to everyone and he answers each and every person question. And you also get access to the telegram, you also get access to the mail, and he keeps you updating regularly about what's the trend is going and how the stock market is performing. So we get to know each and every thing, and he gets to track the market and we also get to track the market. And the tools which he uses, which you he teaches you, you can use those tools to get accustomed to the market, and you can yourself build a portfolio and become a confident investor. So thank you so much, Mudit, that I have become independent because of you, and it has been a very great learning experience. And I'm looking forward for much of mastermind classes, and I attend each and every one to get more of the market and become a most confident investor. Thank you.